Got a 455 Buick big block in the home tonight, and we're taking it from 30 to 40 over, and I ended up getting a this deck plate secondhand, but pretty glad I did actually, because I read a lot about the Buicks, and some guys say that because of their blind head bolt holes, they don't require a deck plate. So I was kind of curious, and I do this with every deck plate I got. I probably got a dozen of them. Never did a big block Buick though. So I'll tell you, this thing, what I did was I initially honed everything and got it kind of round and straight. 30 over, so we're taking maybe 8 thousandths of material. It was a little bit worn, but so I got everything so it was in about 6 thou, nice and straight and round. Bolted the deck plate on, and holy cow, these things move like you wouldn't believe. In the middle of the cylinder, it pulls all around. So, now I've got it, I'm almost to the end where, I should have about 1 thou. So, yeah, if you can see that, but I'm basically a thou to go before I get to my final size. And, I got it nice and straight, but, man, I can't imagine, even on a stock cast iron ring, I mean, this thing just distorted the hell out of these cylinders. So definitely you don't want to use a deck plate on a Buick.